Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delightful cheesecake pudding using an incredibly easy method. This no-bake dessert is perfect for any occasion, offering a rich, creamy texture without the fuss of traditional baking. We'll use simple, readily available ingredients to create a luscious treat that comes together quickly. Get ready to impress your friends and family with this effortlessly delicious recipe. To begin, let's gather our few essential ingredients. You'll need 1 8-ounce package of cream cheese, ensuring it's softened to room temperature for easy mixing. Next, grab 1 5-ounce box of instant vanilla pudding mix, 2 cups of cold milk, and 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Finally, have 1 8-ounce container of whipped topping ready to add that light, airy finish. These simple items are all you need for a fantastic dessert. Now for the fun part, mixing. First, in a medium bowl, beat your softened cream cheese until it's wonderfully smooth and fluffy. This usually takes about 1 minute. Then, gradually add the 2 cups of cold milk, the entire 5-ounce box of instant vanilla pudding mix, and your 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat this mixture for about 2 minutes until it thickens nicely. Finally, gently fold in the 8-ounce container of whipped topping until everything is perfectly combined and airy. Once your cheesecake pudding is perfectly mixed, it's time to prepare it for serving. Carefully spoon the creamy mixture into individual dessert dishes or a larger serving bowl, depending on your preference. For the best texture and flavor, refrigerate the pudding for at least 1 hour, allowing it to set beautifully. Before serving, feel free to add a delightful garnish like fresh berries or a sprinkle of graham cracker crumbs. Enjoy this wonderfully easy and delicious dessert.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.